In today's video, I want to talk on how to get active subscribers on your YouTube channel. I'm telling you, this topic is a very important one. Please don't skip. Watch to the end, guys. So when we talk about active subscribers, we're talking about subscribers that when they see your video, they just want to watch it. They don't want to skip. So people subscribe to your channel and when they see your video, they swipe. They leave. They don't even bother to at least watch like 2 minutes of the video. They don't. Why? Because those subscribers, they are not active. They might be among the number, but they are not active. So this is a very important one, especially for every new YouTuber. If you are a new YouTuber, you are watching this video, please, you should watch it to the end. Believe me, you are going to learn something very important from this video. It is very important to have active subscribers. When you start your channel, I know the pressure that comes with getting subscribers. That is why we go ahead to tell our friends and our families to subscribe to our channel, because when we see the numbers, we are very happy. I know that. But there is something I want you to understand. Is it not better you have 200 subscribers, you post a video and you are getting 150 views, 200 views, 300 views, 400 views? Because even people that are not subscribed to your channel, they also watch your video. Do you understand? So you have 200 subscribers and you post a video, you are getting higher numbers of views. Like you are like doing the maths and you are somehow not understanding it. It's better compared to you have 800 subscribers, you post a video and you are battling with 10 views. I'm not even joking. This is something I have been seeing on YouTube. Like I've been seeing it. So I told myself that I don't want this for my YouTube channel. I want a channel that is healthy, a channel that has active subscribers. So this thing I'm telling you guys now, I discovered it late. I did not know on time. I already made mistake on this channel before I found that. That's why if you check my channel, I had to private all the shots I have on my channel. I have to private them so that I can start getting subscribers that are really interested in my content. Do you understand? So I'm going somewhere. Follow me. So guys, when it comes to YouTube, subscribers matters. Yes, it matters, because even when you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you cannot get monetized. Yes, that is the truth. Now, but what actually matters most is the engagement you are having on your channel. That is, at the end of the day, that is what will make you to make money. If by tomorrow you have 1 million views, you post a video and you are only getting 3,000 views, 2,000 views, ow. I know somebody will be like, is it possible? 1 million views, 2,000? It is possible. Things are happening. I have seen channels on YouTube like with 100,000 subscribers. When I say 100,000, I'm not talking about 10,000. I'm talking about 100,000 subscribers. And when they post a video, that video, normally when you have 100,000 subscribers, what's at least something that is good in the eyes, it doesn't matter that all that 100,000 will view it. No, at least in the next 24 hours, at least, so I'm saying at least 2,000 people should have watched that video. I'm just saying, no, out of 100,000, 2,000 people at least from your subscribers, they should have watched that video, right? I'm just saying at least so. But what did I observe? In the next 24 hours, somebody is still struggling with 100 views when you have 100,000 subscribers. Guys, okay, let me ask you a question. Does it make sense? No. So that is why you have to take your YouTube channel serious. Don't be too moved by subscribers. You are seeing people that you don't know before, you are telling them to subscribe. You are begging anybody you see to subscribe. Don't do that. All these are mistakes I have made. I'm talking from experience. So is even now that my channel is trying to revive. I'm telling you, it's now that my channel is trying to revive, because I made a lot of mistakes when I started this channel. So please, for you to get active subscribers on your channel, If you must post shorts that are related to your long form videos. Yes, it's not like your normal videos. Now you are doing beauty, like beauty lifestyle, how to maintain your body. That is what you are doing on your normal video. Then when it comes to your shorts, you are not doing comedy, you are not posting shorts that will make people laugh. Hey, you will get subscribers, they will subscribe to your channel. So by the time the subscriber is now increasing, and you now post a long form video and nobody is watching it, you are struggling to get views. That is when you know the problem that comes with doing separate stuffs on your, do you understand? So everything should come with a balance. When you are posting shorts, even though you want to post a short that is outside your niche or that kind of thing, you have to make sure that it is once in a while something. Don't do it every time. Don't do it every time. It will affect your channel. I know why I'm saying this. It will affect your channel. So you need active subscriber for you to make money. When I say money, people are making the least threshold that you can withdraw from YouTube is $100 every month. So if you have $99, you cannot withdraw it. Do you understand? So instead of you to now get monetized, then for you to now have $100 will not be a problem because people are not watching your video. It's not good now. You understand? So you need active subscribers. So if you are fond of telling everybody you know to subscribe, stop it. Stop it. Do you know you can have 1,000 subscribers and you will be making good money on YouTube? I'm telling you. So please, it's not by the subscribers. YouTube does not pay by the number of subscribers you have. I know that there is this pressure of, oh, I've been on YouTube for 5 years now, I'm still seeing my subscriber count. I know, I understand, but don't focus all your energy on the subscribers. Focus your energy on getting engagement on your videos. It's better somebody watch your video from the beginning to the end and they don't subscribe, and somebody is coming to watch it for 5 seconds and the person subscribe and go. The person that did not subscribe, the person did your channel well compared to the other person. I'm telling you. Because if that other person that did not subscribe, some people don't just like subscribing to channels. It's not like they don't like your content. In fact, they will have your name somewhere. There are people like that. They will tell you, no, I don't subscribe to people's channel. If I want to watch anything on YouTube, I come to YouTube. You understand? So because that person have watched your video before, if that person come to YouTube again, YouTube will suggest another of your video to that person. So that is what happens, in case you don't know. So guys, active subscriber is the key. It is the key. Stop begging people to subscribe to your channel. Stop telling random people to subscribe to your channel. And if you have the urge to tell somebody to subscribe to your channel, also tell them what your channel is all about, so that if they are interested, they can subscribe, so that when next you post a video, they will watch it. You understand? They will watch it. It's just like you are a lady now, you are into this natural hair maintenance and the rest. You are telling guys, you are begging them to subscribe, like they will not sit down, carry their phone and start watching your, no, nah, it's only guys that are into that hair stuff that we, do you understand? So allow your content to attract people. Allow it to, don't force your content on anybody. Let your content be like a magnet that when something that it attracts sees it, it will attract it. Guys, I hope you learned something from this video. If there's anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I will come and explain it to you. Thank you for watching to this very time, guys. I appreciate you a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.